Hey Mehmed, let's look at your fear paragraph, and I want to give you some suggestions on ways to tighten this up and improve it. The number one thing you need to think about is clarity. How can you be clear and to the point? So let's look at the beginning here. First off, when you write your introduction and your topic sentence, you don't want to be vague. Many people do this because this kind of stuff happens. We don't know what you're talking about. This could be anything. Make it specific to the topic. Come back to being scared. Come back to fear. And again, in your topic sentence, this is a tradition throughout every year on Halloween. What's a tradition? So I think rather in your topic sentence than just saying it's a tradition, you try to answer the question there. Why do people like being scared? Okay, now, this should be your first big idea. You say because of that, and what is that? I'm assuming because of what? Halloween, fear, people take their once-a-year chance to do the scariest pranks on people. But then you don't talk about pranks, you go and you talk about rides at Six Flags. So I think you need to do something to change this. Either make your main point about people doing things like going on rides to be scared, and now talk about that here, which is fine. And it looks like you might need to actually get a new big idea in here, because you switch from going to an amusement park to when people get scared on a normal day, which rarely happens to me. It's just annoying because mostly I'm just trying. Okay, you need to have an idea that talks about and supports your big idea. Why is this here? You're talking about homework, you're talking about you not liking it, but this talks about pranks, this talks about going to amusement parks, so you need to probably have a new topic sentence and focus on why people like it, not just what you don't. Remember, you need to have transitions to start. So first of all, people love being scared because this time of year, they take the chance to do the scariest pranks. But again, are you going to talk about pranks or are you going to talk about amusement parks? Now down here, this will be your next, this probably is going to need to be your third big point. But you say, but when that happens on Halloween, it starts filling up with more Halloween spirit and makes you get anxious to get them back. Not sure what you're getting at here. Is it that people like being scared and they look forward to it? So I think you need to be much more clear here. And then in your elaboration, be specific and come up with your own examples. Don't forget in your conclusion, let's see, people like scaring people and like getting scared of Halloween. Okay, that actually works pretty well, but make sure that you have the support to back it up.